How to find your memories on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to find your memories on Facebook. So let's get started. First, just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply select this profile icon at the top right corner, which is right under the messenger icon. So once you're inside here, you can automatically see this memories option, so you can simply tap on this and now just select this highlights option over here. So you can basically navigate to this navigation bar where you can easily find your photos of you, like oldest, recent, and you can also choose album if you have created one. So in my case I haven't created album, so I will simply select this photos of you option over here and it will show all of the photos I have posted. If I want a new photo with it as well, or you can simply tap on this photo particularly and click on next, and you can repost this memory photo to refresh your memory just like that. So that is actually how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.